What is this called? This is a pig. What is this called? This is a piglet. What is this called? This is a boar. What is this called? This is a sheep. What is this called? This is a lamb. What is this called? This is a duck. What is this called? This is a duckling. What is this called? This is a goose. What is this called? This is a chicken. What is this called? This is a rooster. What is this called? This is a hen. What is this called? This is a chick. What is this called? This is a guinea fowl. What is this called? This is a pigeon.